Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 3D nail art tutorial. In my last video I did a 3D flower tutorial, and this one is kind of similar except I'm doing a full flower.
Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just at myself to keep playing this.
So I already have my base color on, and I'm just going to start with my French tips. All of the fingers are going to have French tips on them.
Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you all see? Think you know your girl so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good just a week ago. At my house, we party.
Now I'm taking some blooming gel and I'm going to do a blooming effect in the corner of each nail except for the ring finger, which is where the flower is going to be. I'm only putting blooming gel on the French tip part of the nail, and honestly you don't even have to put blooming gel on the whole French tip. You really only have to put it on the side of the French tip where you want the blooming effect to be.
My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just saddest shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up,
Hold up.
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 hold up, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up,
Hold up.
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 hold up.
Hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just chicken time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm gonna ride away with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside. 2005. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
As I stated in my last video, please make sure that you are wearing gloves when you are dealing with this gel, because you do not want it to come in contact with your bare hands.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
You're going to take your gel and you're going to place each one onto the nail in the shape of a flower. You don't want them to be too close, but you also don't want them to be too far.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
This time, doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
You are going to take your sculpting tool and you're going to start by pushing down in the middle of the gel. This is going to form your petal, and then from there you just keep sculpting and messing with it until you get the look that you want. And I also want to say that once after you push down in the middle, you are going to push the bottom of the petal towards the middle to create the center of the flower.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the up. Let me tell something that you still think of. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on.
Once you are done sculpting your flower, make sure to cure it for 60 seconds.
You know I wanna be around. You stuck in warm with my heart. Just think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand?
I am taking a liner brush to make sure that I can get the color into the cracks and crevices and the small spaces that I can't get with the regular full-size brush.
Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You stuck in warm with my heart. Just think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Can we know you can tell me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling.
am going to go ahead and top coat, since the last step, which is the 3D lines, doesn't require me to put top coat on top of them. And I did top coat the flower as well.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care.
For the 3D lines, I'm going to be using rhinestone glue and a very thin liner brush. And what I do is I take the rhinestone glue and I place a drop of it at the end of the liner brush, and then I take it and I just do a line by letting most of the glue drop onto the nail at the beginning of the line, and then I take whatever is left on the brush and I continue to drag the line to the top of the nail. This is how the nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do want to try these nails, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.